Colonizing the moon is going to be a huge feat for humanity since it will be the first time that humans have colonized something outside of Earth, and it shows how much new technology was invented just to go to the moon. This video will be the step by step process of how humans will be colonizing the moon. Step 1, sending probes. We would be sending probes to the moon to collect samples and test if it was toxic there or not. This step was carried out by us in the 1959. Even in the early 2000s, we have been carrying out this mission to the moon. 2. Step 2, send humans. We would have enough technology to send humans to the moon to see if it was hospitable for us. This was done in the 1960s, where the spacecraft called Apollo 11 took Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin Jr., who was the first and second person to step on the moon. NASA has planned to send more humans to the moon in the future. Step 3, setting up a base. With newly found technology, we can easily send humans to the moon with useful resources to help astronauts set up a permanent base on the moon. Carbon dioxide inhaled by the astronauts can also be combined with the hydrogen to form by using water electrolysis to produce hydrocarbons, including methane. The Lunar Terrain Vehicle will also be the first big step towards setting up a base on the moon. It is scheduled on a mission after 2025. Step 4, resource production. We have discovered that moon dust has oxygen, hydrogen and even rocket fuel, which will be useful for sending more rocket fuel to Earth, which will get more humans to the moon. With this new fuel source, it will be easier to send humans and satellites to other planets like Mars and Titan. Moon has abundant helium-3, which can be used by a nuclear fusion reactor, which is cleaner and is non-hazardous compared to the fission reactor. Because helium-3, when combined with deuterium, has the advantage of not creating neutrons. Step 5, creating the first moon city. With the increasing number of exports of material from the moon, it will require more people to work there. So engineers like construction engineers will go to create cities so people can live there on the moon and work there. Other engineers such as mechanical and robotic engineers are required to create equipment to work in the harsh condition of the moon. By this step, we would have already been trying to send the first manned mission to the Mars since we have enough resources to do so. Step 6, sending common people to the moon. This step would have been the last step to colonize the moon, since normal people would have started working on the moon and probably live on the moon. Mostly in this step, the first ever child would have been born on the moon, and we would also started to colonize Mars and also set up bases to research about Titan and to see if we can colonize it and set up a base there to gather more resources such as liquid hydrocarbon, which is going to be a great source of fuel to us. Thank you for watching till the end of the video, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, which will help me a lot, by the way. Thank you. Bye.